Illustrator is a great program. It tends to intimidate some folks because it is vector-based. We're all used to hanging out with those friendly pixels in Photoshop. But vectors are your friends too. And believe it or not, you can make a pressure-sensitive brush in Illustrator. Let me show you. So, I already got a brush selected here. And, it's nice, but no pressure sensitivity. Let's get rid of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new brush. And we're going to start with a calligraphic brush. Click OK. Then we got these different controls here. We're going to go down to size, and let's just make it a little bit bigger. And we're going to go where it says fixed, and then click on pressure. Now, one more step. Variation. Right now you can see there's no variation in the size of the pressure for this brush. So we click on that, scroll it to the right, and now you can see, ooh, now we got quite a variety in line strength. Click OK. Now we have a pressure sensitive brush. To take it another step, let's go to our friend the blob brush. I love the blob brush, and as you know, blob is actually a shape, but you can make that a pressure sensitive brush too. Same deal, go in here, new brush, click OK. Let's change the size a bit. Pressure, variant, click OK, and now we got a blob brush that is pressure sensitive. Here's my friend Frank. We're going to make a pseudo pressure sensitive brush in Illustrator like I did in Photoshop. So let's select off him, and let's go to our oval tool, and let's make an oval. And the nice thing about ovals is it's thin on the ends, right, and thick in the middle, which is what we want. So we're going to fill it with black. And make a new brush. This time we'll make it an art brush. Click OK, and click OK. Now let's delete the oval, and let's select Frank. Here's our new brush right here. Click on it, and there we go.